Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is a very exciting day for me. We are driving to my mailbox because it is raining. It's raining again. Ooh, my car is dirty. I'm literally driving down to my mailbox right now to go pick up my plants because my plants are here. My plants are here today. Ooh, I really wish the mailman would have brought them to my house. That would have been very nice. Driving to the mailbox, driving to the mailbox. It's feeling like lazy butt. Hey, wait here. Well, I'm gonna just say real quick, first impression is, WTF on box. Why? We'll see. They were a good price. So let's go home and unbox them. Get them transplanted because they need to go in soil apparently. Well, this is not what I was expecting when I ordered plants online. I've watched a number of unboxings and this is not what people's plants usually look like. So I'm less enthusiastic than I was this morning about opening this box and I'm kind of scared. So I'm unboxing 3 plants today that 2 of them I've actually been wanting for a number of years, so I'm really excited. I was really excited. One of them I actually saw a lot when I was in Indonesia, so I loved it when I saw it there. I thought it was really cool, so when I saw it online, I just thought it would be really cool and have like a little bit of nostalgia to have in my house. So hopefully, I think I ordered live plants. Okay, well there's plants in here. Oh, you know what, actually, this may not be terrible. Let me see 2 though. Right, plant number 1. A little tray here. So this is wrapped in newspaper. Oh, this is actually wrapped decently, but that is a very small plant. Great. Okay, so there's some rubber bands here to secure. Oh, there actually is a planter here, but it's just smashed, I guess, for shipment. This is a little bit smaller than I was expecting. I'm just gonna be honest with you. For the price, I could have just gone to the nursery in town and gotten a much bigger one, but I thought that this, a 4-inch pot, that I was going to be getting a little bit more full of a 4-inch pot. So this is my slow growing. Excellent. This is my string of pearls, and you will see why this is funny. So this is what I was hoping. This is what I was hoping to transplant this into with another 1 or 2 plants. That may be ambitious, so we'll have to rethink that. You might just have to stay in your little pot where you are because you are just a little baby. Anyway, yeah. There we go. String of pearls. This is a really cool succulent that I wanted for a long time. It trails and apparently is slow growing. This says it tolerates direct sunlight, likes moderate temperature, not over water. Pretty basic succulent. That is kind of sad. They only sent me 2 effing plants. Hold the phone. They did not. I'm gonna have a meltdown right now. Where is my other plant? Where's my other plant? Oh no! I'm so brokenhearted right now. I did not get my other plant. So I'm only unboxing 2 plants today. What the hell? I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I have to go buy one online now. I'm so bummed out. I'm not gonna be ordering from this place, that's for sure. This one looks a little bit better. Still not big as I was hoping it were. I'm so shocked right now and brokenhearted. I don't even know what to do. This is my Moon Valley Piglia that is what I saw in Indonesia that I just think is so cool, so pretty. The leaves have just like this awesome texture and they get really thick and just, they look like your skin, like wrinkled skin when you submerge it. I don't even know what to do. I have nothing exciting to show you at this point. Oh. Well, this one does seem to be in quite a bit better shape and much bigger. The third plant that I wanted to be unboxing was supposed to be a monstera obliqua, which is the Swiss cheese vine. So it is the sister plant to the Monstera deliciosa, the big Swiss cheese plant. This is like the smaller leaved trailing plant. Dang it! I was so excited! I don't even know what to do now. I'm so bummed out. Wait a minute. So there we go. 1 out of 3 success, I guess. I'm happy with the Piglia, sort of, except that I've got leaves falling off. Nice. And I don't even know what I'm gonna transplant this into. I don't have anything that small. Yeah, I'm gonna look for somewhere to find a Swiss cheese vine online because I ordered those plants 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago, I've been waiting. I can't make this video about being disappointed. So, I guess that's it. This seems to have a lot of growth, so, you know, maybe it will grow a little bit this season. That would be awesome if it did. Yeah. Well, such is life. Just gotta roll with the punches. Guess now I just need to buy more plants, right? Well, leave your comments and feedback below, I guess. You can find me on Instagram at simplecaresteph. My website is simplecareproducts.com. If you want to check out my skincare products or my blog, and please like this video if you liked it, even though it's sad. And subscribe for updates because you're definitely going to want to see the updates on this and if I'm able to find a new plant. 3 weeks. I waited 3 weeks. 3 weeks. I guess this is why you should buy from a reputable plant place. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.